Banana milk latte, anyone? Have you seen that trending on your socials? We're gonna try it today. It was apparently a really popular Korean drink, and I'm gonna make my own banana milk latte, starting with the banana milk. And I usually keep bananas after they've kind of gone really, really ripe, and then I break them into bits and put them in my freezer, and I'll use them for smoothies, but today we're gonna use it for banana milk to start off the banana milk latte. And I am kind of sauteing it in a little skillet just to give it even more caramelized goodness, because some of the recipes call for honey or sugar. I don't want any additional sugar in this. Just the natural sweetness of the banana I think will be perfect, and especially since I'm giving it a little saute in a skillet, it's gonna bring out even more caramely goodness in the banana. So let's move that to my blender carafe carefully. And then I have 2 cups of almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want. And roughly it's 1 banana per cup of your milk of choice. And then we're just gonna give this a blitz up. Now, since I do have hot banana in here, I wanna cover it just in case it would be a little bit too steamy. That should be sufficiently creamy. Obviously, way more banana milk than I need for 1 latte. So I'm going to keep it in my fridge, and I'll just give it a good shake before I want to use it for anything else. Then I have my glass with ice. You can use a couple shots of espresso. I actually keep cold brew on hand in my fridge because I use it in my morning smoothies and make kind of a mocha smoothie type situation. But I'm gonna put some of the cold brew, and then I'm gonna top it off with the banana milk. And you can do the portions according to your tastes. And then that creamy banana milk goes on top. Oh, look at that. That it looks really, really good. Let's give it a little stir up and a taste. Oh, wow. That's really, really delicious. I really don't even taste banana. I taste like caramely coffee and cream. That's kind of what it tastes like. So I think you might want to give this one a go. That banana milk is so rich and frothy. You can give it a really good shake before you use it again, so it'll remain frothy like that when you add it to your coffee drink. But this would be good in so many other things too. I'm going to experiment with banana milk this week, but now I have some banana milk that I will be keeping in my fridge. You gotta give this a try. I'll put the recipe on tkfoodie.com. If you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us. And if you give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, it so helps out our channel, and we truly, truly, truly appreciate you.